We're chopping some lettuce. We're chopping some cucumber, tomato, onion. Believe me, this is gonna be a salad you wanna make all the time. Stay tuned. What's going on, everybody? Sean here with the Garlic and Butter Guy. I'm really super excited to share this recipe with you. It's a salad that we grew up eating in an Armenian household. My mom would constantly have this dressing ready in the fridge, and doesn't take nothing but a few minutes to get ready. So what I'm going to do for this is I'm using half. I cut it this way, and this is a romaine salad. We're gonna go ahead and use that. And I have some Persian cucumbers, 3 of them, half of a purple onion, and 2 to 3 purple, bro.
We're not doing this again.
Well, we're doing it again. It's still purple to me. They haven't changed the color yet. 2 to 3 Roma tomatoes, depending on how much you guys need. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna start chopping. All right, cool. So the chopping is done. Now we're gonna make the vinaigrette. The key to this vinaigrette, I'm going to use some neutral oil. If you guys want to use olive oil, absolutely your choice. Now, the way this goes is I have half a cup of neutral oil and I have a 1/4 cup of regular vinegar. We're going to add that. To that, 2 tablespoons of dried mint. You could also use fresh mint, but in this case, we always use dry. And I also have 1 tablespoon of Aleppo pepper. It's a Syrian pepper. You can find it online if you don't have a Middle Eastern market to go to. That goes in, and good pinch of salt to taste. Over here I have about 4 to 5 garlic minced, again to taste. And to this we're gonna add a freshly squeezed lemon. Squeeze, squeeze. And we mix. The whole flavor of this salad is right there. And then the freshness from the cucumbers, it's just a great summer salad as well. It's just absolutely phenomenal. Salt. Another pinch of salt. See how fast and simple that is, guys? And it's ready to go. Just gonna give this a cover. Oh yeah. Let me put on my doctor's gloves. Dr. Shant. My hands are wet. All right, and we mix. Again, I messed up, bro.
You should have got a bigger bowl.
Bigger bowl.
I was thinking
it looks big enough when it's empty.
Yeah, I was thinking that with my head when you brought that one out. Like,
right.
Maybe it's still too small.
Ah!
You can do it.
I can do it. Yeah, Radze, right there. Beautiful. All right.
That looks bomb.
Nice and juicy and fresh. God.
You'll pick that up later.
Yeah, later. All right, let me give this a taste. That's it. You guys done. Who's this?
Yeah.
Chica. Well, you know what'd be good with this too? Avocado.
Good. May I please have a fork?
You got to go inside, get a fork. I only brought a fork for me.
Selfish.
Selfish. Here he comes. Boom. Big boy can't resist. Bro, we eat this all the time. Hmm?
I know. I was craving it. That's
It's like mom's.
Amazing.
It's like mom's, huh?
Just
Exactly.
like mom's.
There you go, guys. How can you not eat it? Beautiful, nice, easy, fast. This is very common in our Armenian household. If you don't want to have the lettuce, you could just have it with the cucumbers, the onions, and the tomatoes. No problem. Just omit it. So make sure you guys try this recipe out. Let me know how it goes. Let me know what you think. You could actually bottle that vinaigrette, okay? You could literally make extra and then throw it in the fridge and it'll last you forever and ever and ever. It's an amazing dressing. So thanks again for tuning in. If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe. And until next time, don't forget to get notified. Ring the dingle that bell.